What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you why this Zurn brand ZTR series is not working. Actually the bottom is not working, and also the sensor is not working as well. So we're gonna go through all the problem this brand has, and let's start it. Alright, first thing we need to do to shut the water off. So you can use the flat screwdriver to turn off the water here, and then we go here to change the bottom. So I'm gonna take the bottom off, but I'm gonna show you here the bottom actually is supposed to have a spring. So this one, as you see, is missing the spring. Is that side on the blue side, blue thread, so it's missing this. So you can push this way, but when you push it, the bottom is the spring is supposed to put it back. So this automatic valve is the battery operation. As you see, this white box is there's a battery inside. So we're gonna replace that battery and see if it works. So we take this connection off and we're gonna replace the battery. Actually we replaced the battery and didn't work, so we come up with the solution to replace the whole thing. So this is the whole fixture, and we're just gonna replace the shut off valve, so the rest is good. Okay, so let's do it.